Hello sir, Group B, SD1 familiarization.
So for part 1, we have our PLC ladder diagram. So I use the input X4 for input and Y4 for OTE.
In procedure number 2, PLC wiring diagram, the address that I use in the input is X4 and the address that I use in the output is Y3. I use push button green 1 that indicates in our PLC and lamp yellow 2 also indicate in our PLC. The lamp is connected to the output Y3, then the other wire is connected to positive. Then the push button 1 is connected to X4. Then the other wire is connected to the 0 volts. Then the COM that covered the input X4 is connected to 0 volts. It's COM 0. Then the DCB is connected to 24 volts.
And para naman sa part 3 is yung ating software diagramming or yung paglagay natin ng wiring diagram natin sa software. Una diyan na is napansin ko dito sa part 1 na ang binigay na output dapat is yung Y3. Kaya ang ginamit ko sa aking software diagramming is yung Y3. Pero dito sa dinrawing ng aking kagrupo is Y4 yung ginamit niya. Pero hindi ko siya sinunod kasi nga ang binigay na instruction is Y3 yung gagamitin. And I put examine if close ng X4 which is yung ating push button na ginamit is normally open. Kaya initially false yung ating rung is in false in false state or lamp is off kasi nga examine if close yung ating instruction na ginamit. And once na pinress natin yung push button, magko-close yung push button and magto-true yung rung natin and the lamp will turn on. And after I put the diagram in GXWorks, I connect it to the PLC and download the program.
So, next naman is yung sa may wiring. Unang ginawa ko is dito muna sa may input or sa may push button. Kinonek ko lang yung push button sa may yung isa sa negative and yung isa doon sa may X4. And sa may lamp naman or sa may output, kinonek ko lang yung negative nung lamp doon sa may Y3 and yung isa is sa positive. And gumamit yan ng isang COM or yung common which is yung COM 0. Kinonek ko lang doon sa may negative.
So in our first attempt, our circuit is not working. So for the debugging, I didn't encounter any debugging issues.
So in the troubleshooting, una po nating ginawa is yung pag-execute ng second attempt which is hindi pa rin gumana. Ayan. Okay. So, ang ginawa po natin is nag-rewire tayo ng ating PLC. So, sa PLC wiring natin, inilipat natin siya sa push button na red and then sa lamp 2 from the push button green and the lamp 1 na yellow. So, binago natin yung push button and din yung lamp 1. So, ang nagkaroon pala ng problema is sa push button mismo. So, pag yung push button natin is pinipindot na hard press, para nagiging Christmas light yung lamp. So, walang problema sa lamp natin. So, nung nilipat natin yung push button sa red, gumana naman. Kaya tumama tayo sa third attempt. Yun lang po.